Hello! So, let's study the vocab with Miss Anna. So, today I will teach you the vocab. So, you will see some of the words here. The first one, where we keep the cow, the pigs, the chickens, and grow the trees. So, can you guess where is it? Here. It is farm. One more time. Farm. Farm. Okay, so farm is where we keep the cows, the pig, the chickens, and we grow the trees. Okay, so let's see who works at the farm. Who works at the farm? So we say the farmer works at the farm. Okay, very good. So what can you see in the farm? You answer the question. Okay, what can you see in the farm? So we can see cows, we can see pigs, chickens, and even the rice. Yes. Okay, so next one. Green short plants on the ground. Here. We can see here. Okay, a few of them. So we say grass. 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 Okay, so grass is the short and green plants on the ground. Okay, so one question for you. Where do you see the grass? Where do you see the grass? Okay, so we can see the grass on the farm. We can see the grass in the stadium where we play soccer. Where we play soccer, so we can see the grass there. Yeah. Okay, so we say grass. Next one. A big natural line of water. Here, the line of water. So we say river. One more time. River. River. Okay, so it is the natural line of water. We can see water here flow in a line. Okay, so one question for you. What can you see in the river and on the river? Okay, so we can see fish, yeah, in the river, and we can see the boat or the ship on the river. In the river, the fish is in the river, but the boat and the ship is on the river. Yes, so we say river. Next one, where people grow corn or rice. Let's take a look at the picture. Here, so these are rice. Okay, so we say field, field, field. Okay, so field is where people grow corn or rice. I think these are corns. Yeah, corn trees. Let's see. We say field. Okay. One question for you. Who works in the field? Who works in the field? Okay. So we say the farmer works in the field. Yes. So let's see. The next one. A piece of land in the middle of the water. In the middle of the water. So we can see water around this land. Okay. So we say island. We don't say s as here. Yeah, we don't say that sound. So we say island. 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 Okay. So this is piece of land in the middle of the water here. Okay. So let's see. Is there any island in Vietnam? The answer is yes. We have here. So what is the name of some islands that you know in Vietnam? Give me the answer. Okay. So next one. Very small town in the countryside. Here we can see a lot of grass. Yeah, we can see a lot of grass. We even have the cows here. So we say this one is the village. Village. Okay, one more time. Village. Okay, so let's see. What can you see in the village? Answer. So we can see farmers in the village. We can see the grass in the village, the cows, and the farm or the field. Yes, a lot of things in the village. Okay, so let's see. This one is the picture of a tiger. Yes. So we say somewhere with a lot of trees and wild animals in the tropical Yeah, we have rain a lot. They are a lot of rain. Okay. So we say this one, jungle. One more time, jungle, jungle, jungle. Okay. So what animals living in the jungle? What animals live in the jungle? Okay. So we say the tigers live in the jungle. What about the snakes? Yes, the snakes. The snakes. Okay, live in the jungle. What can you see in the jungle? Trees, flowers, a lot of trees and a lot of flowers. Grass too. Okay. So somewhere high with a lot of rock and it's high. So the ground is low and it is high. Next one. So we say mountain. Here, mountain. One more time. Mountain. Mountain. Okay. Mountain is somewhere high and there are a lot of rocks. There are a lot of rocks here. Okay, so we say mountain. Back to that one. Mountain. So, can you see any animals living in the mountain? Yes. Can you see any animals living in mountain? Yeah, maybe, right? We can have the tiger living in the mountain. Even the birds, yeah, like the eagles, living in the mountains. Okay. Oh, so a large area with salt water. A large area. 3/4, we say 3/4 of Earth. So we have sea. 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 Okay, sea here. A lot of water. And especially salt water. So we have sea. Which animals live in the sea? Can you give me the answer? Dolphins, sharks, octopuses, yeah, fish. Very good. So these animals live in the sea. We can say live under the sea. Okay, next one. Where water goes from the high place to the low place. From the high place to the lower one. So we have waterfall. One more time. Waterfall. Waterfall. Okay, waterfall. You can say water. Waterfall. Okay. So let's see. Where can you see waterfall? Yeah, we can see waterfall in Vietnam. A lot of waterfalls. There are a lot of waterfalls in Vietnam. So do you know, is there any animals living in the waterfalls? Maybe yes, right? The fish down there, but we can see like water here goes drop down like this. Okay. So next one, big area with a lot of trees. This time we don't have the rain. We just have the big area with a lot of trees. So we call this one forest. 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 Okay. So which animals live in the forest? Give me the answer. Which animals live in the forest? Okay. So the tiger, the lion, the snake, maybe. Yeah. Okay. The big area of water inside the land here. So we can see island is the land in the middle of the water, right? But this one, water is in the middle of the land, inside the land. So we say lake, lake, lake. Okay. So which animals live in the lake? Or is there any lake in Vietnam? The answer is yes. Can we have small lake and big lake? Yes, we can. Okay, so anything that is like a tree and live on the ground here. Any tree live on the ground. Okay, so we say plant, plant, plant. Here, the trees live on the ground. So any tree, flowers, grass, tree, coconut tree, every tree. So we call them plant. Okay, so is there any plant in your house? Is there any plant in your house? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Okay, next one. So this one is the end of our lesson about the vocab. Remember to study the vocab vocab at home and do the reminder. Goodbye.